Hey guys, it's Friday again, and you know what that means. It's time for another episode of ClickTips. ClickTips will give you quick tips that'll make you more productive throughout your day. This week, we're going to be looking at map view. Let's jump right into it. So to create a map view, you'll do what you do for any other view. You'll come up here to your Add a View button. You'll click it. You'll come down to Map. You'll decide whether or not you want it to be a personal view and whether or not you want to pin it, and hit Add View. So if we come over to my map view here, we'll see that all the different locations that I've added to location custom fields are on the map. Now you have a few different choices here. You can come up to here and decide which location fields you want to show on your map view. You can also choose how they're colored. Right now they're colored default, and you can choose which color that is, or you can also go ahead and color them by priority. So we see here we have all the different priorities on the different tasks. You can also come down to status, and that will color them by the different status that the tasks are in. And then we also have the option for custom fields. So when you do this, say for example you have a drop down on the tasks, you'll be able to go ahead and assign those same colors to the different locations. You'll be able to show the subtasks or hide them, and then any tasks that don't have a location will appear over here. You also have the ability to zoom in and out, make the map full screen, and decide whether or not you want it in satellite view. So if you go ahead and let's say save this layout, let's just go save it from me, and then we come back to the map view, you'll see that will be in the same exact spot, and all the settings that you've set will be the same. But that's all I got for you this week, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.